Back with another edition of Patches and Autos. We are here with Prizm Mega Boxes. Got them the other day at Target. $50 a piece, so they are not cheap. But we are looking for some Zion rookie prisms out of these. More specifically, I would rather find some Ja Morants, to be honest. I think they also have longer term value. So we're gonna open these up. We get guaranteed 4 silver prisms and 14 Mega Box exclusives. That includes Red Ice. Look for rookie penmanship autographs, it says. My helper is too busy playing Madden on his phone right now.
Oh. That's nicely packaged.
As opposed to those NFL ones.
Fat packs.
10 cards per pack, 6 packs. Hopefully these won't, some of these blaster boxes that we opened had miscut prisms.
Dominance Kawhi. Aaron Gordon, Kevin Durant, purple parallels.
Nice.
Gilgis silver.
Nice. It's a good pack.
Seems like there's a lot more hits in a pack.
Well, we'll find out. That was just the first pack. So. I don't know if that paused or not.
I didn't. Lucas Samanik. Darius Baisley, instant impact. Torrey
Craig.
Oh. LaMarcus Aldridge and Kyrie prisms. Admiral Schofield. Emergent Nasir Little. Isaiah Thomas.
Nice.
Emmanuel Mudiay. And Justin James parallel. I mean, not parallel, silver. Daniel Gafford. Jarrett Culver. Hyped James Harden. DeAndre Jordan and Larry Nance.
Steph Curry silver.
Yep. Carson Edwards, rookie. Brandon Clark.
Giannis, nice.
Giannis, red. Quandary Weatherspoon, rookie, red. Larry Bird, and that's it. Last pack in this box. Matisse Thybulle, Zion.
Just base.
Still Zion. Emergent Zion. 2 Zions in 1 pack. Jonathan Isaac and TJ Warren. Reds and a Donovan Mitchell
Nice.
silver.
Donovan silver.
No Kevin Porters. How do they have pictures of him dunking if he's never?
They just take photos like in a photo studio with like a background. What was that rookie that you just passed?
Goga Bazaz.
Goga. Just say Goga.
Dominant, Stephen Booker. Tyler Johnson, red. Avery Bradley, red. Jabari Parker, silver. Eric Pascal, rookie. Instant Impact, Ty Jerome. Mafindu
Fondu.
Gaha.
I don't know how to say his last name.
Rookie, red. Bismack Biyombo, red. Trier, red. Jalen Hands. Kawhi Leonard, NBA.
Why are you throwing that there?
I don't like it. Wesley Matthews, Tim Hardaway Jr., and Ray Allen. That can go in the trash. Ziak Apollo. Marcus Smart auto. Ugh. Out of anyone. Cameron Johnson, emergent. Gallinari, red. Cam Reddish, red. Gordon Dragic, silver. I at least forgot auto at least.
Yeah.
He hasn't been playing horrible at least either. Darius Baisley. Dominant, Donovan Mitchell.
Silver.
Kareem, Jeff Teague, and Davias.
Davidas Pistons.
Reds. Last pack. Kevin Porter Jr.
I haven't really seen any Cavs aside from Kevin Love. You say something.
Jordan Clarkson.
Oh, yeah.
And I saw Larry Nance Jr.
Oh, there's a Larry Lance.
Larry Lance.
Well, whatever. Larry Nance.
Ben Simmons,
End
dominance.
of my week. I'm tired.
Chris Dunn, red. James Harden, red. Ty Jerome, silver.
Not bad.
That was a fail.
Wait, why did you say it was a fail? We got a couple Zions.
Because there was no Kevin Porter.
Please like, subscribe, and check out our other videos on YouTube. Don't forget to share. Help us get up to 100 subs. And we hope to have another video for you soon.